Got a nice little abandoned used car dealership there. Yeah, it's been abandoned for a while. What kind of car you want to buy at this abandoned used car dealership? Look at that one. It's overgrown there. Got some Buicks. Let's see what's back here. We got an old Ranger there. Nice plow truck. Oh, that guy's a little smashed up, huh? There's another Buick. Wow, wonder what happened here. A lot of Buicks. Nice little creeper van there. Wow. A lot of cars. Let's see what's back here. Here's the back lot. I don't see any prices on them. Dodge Ram. Let's see what's back here. We got some Fords over here. Route 66. Sign in the window. Here, you can have a good deal on this one. Half price. Half price on that one. Wow, there's a Chevy pickup over here. These are really cool. Chevy. What's that back there? Ford Ranger. Wow. There's some more stuff back there. What's that back there? Ford Taurus. Back-to-back pickups there. Wow. Oh wow, what's that one way back there? That one's been there for a long time. Holy moly. Look at this guy back here. Pristine. It's Oldsmobile, right? That emblem? I think that's an Oldsmobile. Wow. Well, it's the same color as Pristine. Yeah, there's more back there. What is that, a Mustang over there? Huh. I think that's a Mustang, that's good. There's an old white pickup truck over there. Wow, these are really cool. Something really loud back. No, that was a Buick next to it. The back looked like a Mustang. Wow. These are really cool. It's right alongside the main road too, so I don't want to. A lot of Buicks here. Somebody's making a lot of noise. Yeah, a lot of Buicks. Wow. This one's all, windshield's all smashed in on that one. Couple more Fords there. Okay, we're just down that way. Got this little backhoe excavator. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go. The building itself is all locked up, so. Wow, is that a Jaguar? Yeah, it is. It's a Jaguar. What is this thing? Oh, that's a forklift. Hey, look. There's $1. I'm taking that. Wow. That's pretty cool. It's a nice crispy dollar too. Forklift. And that thing hasn't been used in a while. Let's see, I think this... there's no power. Wow, that guy's scary back there. I wonder if there's any more dollars around here. And we got a Mustang right there. That's pretty cool. Smile, you're on camera. That's fine. I don't mind. Maybe the people that are making noise in back there own this. I don't know, but okay, that's about it.